Hello, good morning, dear my students. Today we are going to the topic federalism, federal governance, challenge in federalism and the way of the forward. Do you know that, dear students, large country like the India require to the proper balance between the six pillars of federalism, autonomy of a state, nation, centralization of the centralization, declaration and the nationalism and nationalized. Extreme by politically centralization, chocolate the politically bad tension can be both lead to the weakening of India federalism. The right of the balance would prevent the Union government from the repairing state autonomy by one to point will this grading the states against the threatened by national unity. Controlling these out the extreme is a challenge. As federalism must be reconciled by this, they need to the national unity on this one hand and the other regional autonomy. This paragraph core country India is a very large popular country and this more than population but while proper balance between the six pillars and federalism, autonomy of the state, national integration, centralization, decentralization, nationalization, regionalization, and actually the political centralization. Codic political decentralizations. It is a very important in the federalism India. So dear student, you know that Indian constitution drawn the political system. Then the state. There are the products of centralized federalism. This line said that dear my students, there are two types of the government, national level and state level. But Indian constitution has strictly by the made of the Indian government and powerful the central government. During this constituent assembly debates, first Prime Minister said that Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru it is, would be injured by the interested in the country of the provide the weak of the central authority which could incapable by the ensuring the peace of the coordinating of the valid matter of the common council and the speaking effectively for this whole country in the internal sphere. Other prominent by member of the assembly also demanded of the stronger union government necessary of the India's survival and the political stability. Given as the vast diversity based on the region, language, caste, etc. There is from this line said that Mr. First Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru informed this Constitution Assembly entrusted to the country or provide the weak central authority by the powerful. Then after one other permitted by the member assembly demanded to a stronger union government necessary for the India and political stability given the vast variety of in region, language, caste, ethnicity, etc. However, it is the incorrect by the conclude that Indian Constitution is structured to and read title to word of the empowering the Union government. The author of the Director of the Government of India with the work of the experience running by from the policy formulation of the implementation in the external affairs, internal labor, stand G20, BRICS, rural development of the center. Over the states, there are some highly by federal feature of the Indian Constitution. But Australian Constitution experts said that cases where one described in the Constitution of India, Curie federal and union, it is the unitary by state and the subsidiary federal feature. Rather, rather than the federal state of the subsidiary unitary feature, quasi-federalism and not be issues are related to opportunity cost of the decentralization, which is the monetization of the cell. The emerging of the SP levels by affected among the jurisdictions and remote ranking cost shifting. For from layer by the government on the others. Next topic, dear students. Federal governance to during this COVID-19. India's response to the COVID-19 pandemic has shifted to the balance of the federal structure. The pandemic enabled to the central government on the implementation for reaching by the reform of the traditionally considered to the dominated of states. This is the exercise by the central government indicated of the willingness is to the letter of the federal power to implement by the significant of the reform. Yes, this line said that COVID-19 pandemic it is a very difficult in the situation the balance on the federalism structure, state to central, but central government implement by the sharing reaching the from the traditional considered dominance by the state. India Indian Constitution lay out of this detail of the scheme to the separation of the power between the center and state. Finance Commission recommended by the division of the revenue between the center of the state with the inter traditionally by rating by the significant majority by the pool of the but no specific by counters of the relationship have charged over the time of the example with the introduction of the goods of the service tax. The change of the something by some the function of the reaction of the political power from the center. The important by the power board agreement by the need of the change. The most important moment of the federalism in this the phase of the revolution by this vertical role by the state government on the ground level in the managing of the COVID-19 crisis in the India. In after a trial challenge in the union government carried by the executed by a specific autonomy in the state of this strength their healthcare faculties manage the located of the lockdown and the implemented by the local security manage of the migrants get impacted by the pandemic as health remained by the state by the subject in this state regarding of the political equips or the vision this related the union government and must by these cases of the work and the main by against the health care provide the governance provide within this generation by this care center playing coordinating role of the however the political parties regional country in this the domains of the union government considerable worker in previous phase. But COVID-19 response by the highlighted to the and really vital the Indian federal structure. So government implementation of the national lockdown, power of the under central disaster management law, and the minister of the affair by issue executive by guideline to state controlling the pandemic. This is the power of the central government commanded by this local authority in the necessary. The state government followed the central order even the thought by the independent power under the more specified law. If Epidemic by Disaster Management Act 1897, state government required to the central government by the continue of administration of the national lockdown during this transitional phase. In this during so state considerable by decision making power of the political capital to the central government phase. Lockdown has been autonomy response by in this national lockdown, and state government had direct reduction the revenue. Even the before the lockdown, many states of the India already beached some of the closest the beaching their mandate of the facial deficit limit. Lockdown has further increased the financial dependence on the center. In May 2020, India Finance Minister announced by the state reform by the faculty of the Indian post-lockdown economic survey. One such of the measure has been conditional increase the borrowing limit of the state central government by enhance the borrowing limit of the state government 3% to increase the to 5%. Grows the state domestic product. And the 0.5% of the increase the unconditional by the further I repeat the permanent by the only borrowing the link to specify reform the debate suitability of the certain power sector reform the urban development and related to the milestones. Reform the agriculture sector many impact by the autonomy to necessary to growth of the properly. And dear students, will some state are such Punjab? You know that Punjab it is a opposition to specify the reform the agriculture and the measure by significant the both of the measure increase the borrowing limit by the agriculture reform. It is also said Indian ruling by party would not be dominate the political party. And agriculture, labor and marketing the dismantling of the policy established by the earlier political hegemony to the 3 days dedicated following the Indian independence. And then relation to this India are function political forces by more than a struggle consistent by the state power seen to the increase the relative to this certain of absence of the single party. But FDI listened to the other central minister rules of the business in the subject matter of the proposal by all proposal to this land border of the issue related to security arise the concerns of the nodal officer ministry to be solved. Thank you.